Saving with Shay, and I'm here for my Walmart midweek haul for you guys. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash the like button, support your girl. So listen, for my midweek, I need 18 offers for $5. We also have a larger bonus. I usually for that only need 50, but this time around, I need 67. It's called the Rainy Rewards bonus, and it's good for this whole entire month, which should make it a little easier to hit it. As far as today, I did find some new deals, which is always awesome, right? Because as y'all know, the deals have been kind of hit and miss lately. One of you guys left a comment on my community post about the Aloha protein bars, that you got them online on Amazon rather, and so I put an order in. I just got them yesterday for Flavor Wiki. They're $22 and you're getting back $35. So I did that deal. What else did I want to mention? With the PayPal 5% rewards, for last month I ended up making almost $25. I think it was like $23, $24, which is really cool. Only thing is, I don't know how to choose my category. Like, I can't figure it out. I know I did it before, but I don't know how the heck I did it. So if you guys know how to do it in the comments, let your girl know, because I've been googling the hell out of it and I can't figure it out. Chat GPT in it, and I don't know, I can't figure it out. I know it's super stupid easy though, because I did it before. I'm gonna be doing some social nature offers as well, because a lot of the ones that I have available say that they're running out or whatever. So I'm gonna do those before they expire. But I'm not even gonna lie, y'all, I'm like so behind on doing the reviews. I'm like 12 in the hole right now that I still have to do. So I'm gonna try to knock out at least half of those today, or at least I'll try to finish it all this week for sure. Other than that, that's basically it. So we're gonna head to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesomeness we can grab. If you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching.
All right, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the Fresh Cravings hummus. I'm gonna go ahead and grab it. I don't recall when it expires, but it says there's not a whole lot left. It's priced at $3.92. I'm getting that back through Social Nature, making this absolutely free. So this next deal is on the cup of noodles. There is one on the cup of noodles, the 6-pack, which is down here. It's priced at $3.28, and you're getting back 50 cents on Ibotta. So it brings it down to 20 cents per cup, which is not necessarily bad. Josiah loves the cup of noodles. We just have to limit them because they have like a crap load of sodium. And then there's also one on the 12-pack as well right here, the top ramen, which is priced at $2.97. And for this one, you're also getting back 50 cents, bringing this down to 20 cents per pack. There's also one on the chow mein one up there, 146, 25 cents back, makes it like what, 121? And hot and spicy, 127, 25 cents back, making that what, 102? And so, yeah. So next up is the Zax's Mighty Roll tortilla chips. I've been sitting on this offer hoping that it might pop up on Ibotta or something. But this one says not many left as well on Social Nature, so they're priced at $3.97. Now, I do have to grab this one. There was an offer for both of them, but once you did one, the other one popped off. So I did this Fury Nacho one first, priced at $3.97, getting it back through Social Nature, making this absolutely free. All right, so next up is the Country Crock Drizzle. It's priced at $2.96 on Rollback, getting back $2 on Ibotta, brings it down to 96 cents. Now, I actually have been using this, and I actually really like it. So I don't think I'm going to do it this time, but for 96 cents, it's definitely not a bad deal. All right, next up is the Violife. I was happy to see this reset for me again, you guys. It's on the Violife creamer. It's, well, I've been grabbing the Seductive Caramel because it's flipping bomb. Like, hello. It's priced at $4.88. This is a freebie on Ibotta. I was hoping it might reset again today, so we're going to see if it does. Your girl definitely is going to get it again. All right, so this next deal is on the Pedigree Dentist Sticks. I saw Aaliyah Saves on Instagram post this deal. It's priced at $4.28 for the original with real chicken one. I'm getting back $2 on Fetch Reward and $1 on Ibotta, bringing that down to $1.28. All right, so I went ahead and did the Glade deal again. Priced at $2.38, getting back $1.50 on Ibotta, bringing them down to 88 cents each with a limit of 3. Next up is the small spaces. It's priced at $3.24, getting back $2.30 on Ibotta, bringing that down to only 94 cents each. All right, so next up is the Febreze. You know, I was checking the oils. There's an offer for $2.50 back. I would definitely make sure to scan them to see which ones qualify. I believe it's the singles will work, which will make them like, what, more than 50% off? It's not bad. But when I was checking the app, the plug popped up as qualifying for the $2.50 back on Walmart rewards. So it'll also work for Ibotta. Scanned Ibotta works as well, which is right there. It worked. Getting back $2.50 would make it 92 cents. So yeah, so that's definitely not a bad deal. I think I'm gonna grab a set for Walmart rewards and for Ibotta. Actually, I think I'm gonna grab the small spaces, the plug, and yeah, for Walmart rewards. So I decided to do the Arm & Hammer scent booster deal again. They are priced at $5.44, getting back $3.50 on Ibotta, limit of 3. I'm bringing them down to only $1.94 each. All right, and so next up is the Motrin. It's priced at $4.22 for this. I'm actually gonna do this deal for Walmart rewards as well as Ibotta. It's a limit of 1. So we're gonna grab one at $4.22. We'll get back $2 on Ibotta, and then we'll also get back $2.50 on Fetch Reward, which is a limit of 3, making them a 28-cent moneymaker each, which is so awesome. Am I the only one that I always really try to check the expiration dates, and I always try to get the one that's the longest? Am I the only one that do that? Because I feel like some stuff you be getting, be dead ass about to expire, and so yeah, not a bad deal, right? Okay, so we're over here. We're gonna go ahead and grab the Earthkind Stay Away Ants and Cockroaches. It's priced at $9.86. This is a free offer on Social Nature. And so, yeah, gonna go ahead and pick it up. All right, and so next up is a big deal. All right, so there's one offer, but you can get either the men or the women. So it's on the Big Escape, priced at $5.22, getting back $3. Or you can grab the men's Big. Which one is it? So it's actually behind here because it's priced at $5.22. So the Big Flex 3 priced at $5.22, get back 3. So if you need razors and you ain't like stocked up like I know most of us are still, I have a crap load of razors. Then definitely not a bad deal. I also saw Aaliyah Saves post this deal on the Shea Moisture bars. Is it just me? Does this bar seem hella tiny? Maybe it's just an extra small one because I feel like this bar used to be bigger, or maybe they have a larger size. But I'm not sure if it works on this one. I think the one that she posted, it was a picture of the ones like this with the cutout in the front. They're priced at $5.98. And for this, you're getting back $2 on Ibotta and $1.50 on Fetch Reward. So it makes it $2.48. Okay, so I was looking for the Secret whole body deodorant in the trial size. I got this from a different store. It's priced at $4. So if you grab 2 of them, you end up paying $8. You'll get back $7 for buying 2 on Ibotta. Makes them 50 cents each. I want to say Nicole shared this deal on Instagram. I was hoping this would be available for Walmart rewards too, but it wasn't. So yeah. All right, guys. So here is my complete haul for today. So listen, I did not hit my midweek. I still need like, I want to say 6 or 7 offers. So if something pops up, there were some deals I thought about doing, but I'm not really sure if I really feel like going back out again. But if I do, I'll roll that into my next video. So it'll be added with the weekend. If I do, but I don't really think I will. I know the Arm & Hammer did reset for me again. I only did it on Ibotta this time around. If the Motrin, if that one resets, I'll definitely do that for the final time on Fetch Reward. And so other than that,
this worked out pretty good. Considering I didn't hit my midweek, so I cannot complain. So as far as this haul, we did Walmart rewards for the Febreze, the small spaces, the plug, and we also did it for the Motrin. All of that worked out good. These were the protein bars that I grabbed from Amazon. I did submit that yesterday, so hopefully it'll go through fine. My other two already went through. Well, one went through already. The other one I'm still waiting, but it is validated, so that's cool. I'm not sure. Let me see if this one's validated. So the protein bars is still processing. These are the secrets that I got because the store that I went to today they didn't carry them, and so it was just a little bitty trial size ones. And so other than that, everything you see here retails $98.94. No coupons for today. My sales tax was $5.14. Getting back $35 from Flavor Wiki. Ibotta is $33.68. Social Nature is $17.85. Walmart Rewards was $6.80. And last but not least, Best Reward was $5. Getting back a total of $98.33. Makes this a net cost of 61 cents, y'all. So less than $1 for all of this. I cannot complain. I feel like I haven't bought hummus in forever, so I cannot wait to open that up. And of course, y'all know the creamer. Yes. Yes. Okay. And so other than that, if you make it to the end, I appreciate you guys watching. I want to see let me see a bug emoji in the comments if you get to the end. As always, I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.